fellow scientists. My name is Val, and I'm a member of the outreach team at the Discovery Building. In this experience, I'm going to share with you an activity about how to explore and make crystals at home. In nature, crystals form when liquids begin to cool and harden, and the substances that are dissolved in those liquids form kind of an orderly arrangement. One place that you can find crystals in nature is in the Earth's crust. Things like amethyst and opals were formed when minerals in the crust were heated up and then cooled. To learn more about how scientists use crystals in their research and in the lab, check out the resource list at the end of the video. In this activity, we are going to heat up water with borax dissolved in it and make conditions favorable for creating borax crystals. Kids, before you start this experiment, please get permission from a responsible adult. Because we're going to be using boiling water, you're going to need that help from the adult to stay safe. You're also going to need things like an oven mitt or a pot holder and safety goggles. We're going to need borax, which is a laundry detergent and can be found in the laundry detergent aisle at the grocery store. You're also going to need a small container. In this activity, I used a 1-cup glass measuring cup, which I don't intend to use for food since borax is not a food-safe item. We also need a larger container that the smaller container can fit inside of. You'll need a spoon for stirring and a chenille stem, which is also like a pipe cleaner. And then you need plenty of patience because it takes a long time for crystals to form. But I want to share with you how my setup looks and a few helpful hints. First, as you can see, I have a container of hot water in which I've stirred borax until no more would dissolve. This is called a supersaturated solution, in which we've dissolved the maximum amount of borax that we can get to dissolve. We've stirred until no more would dissolve. Next, I'm going to place the container of supersaturated borax into the larger container of water, and then I'm going to fill that larger container of water with hot water. This is going to act like a water bath to help the supersaturated solution of borax cool down even slower, which is necessary for forming really large crystals. And finally, we need to give the crystals a place to start forming. So I've created a spiral shape out of a chenille stem, and I've tied it to a pen. And what you can do is lay that then across the small container so that the chenille straw dangles into the borax solution but doesn't touch the bottom or the sides of the small container. And the last step is to allow the setup to sit undisturbed for at least 12 hours. This is the hardest part. A helpful tip is don't put your setup on the countertop above the dishwasher. The rumbling of the dishwasher definitely affected my crystal formation the first time I tried this activity. So good luck, be patient, and I hope that your crystals grow really great. Also, if you want to check out other hands-on science activities, check out discovery.wisc.edu. Thanks.